How to use index function and match function along a side in Excel. Let's start. Now if I have a customer ID and I want to check a different status for that particular customer ID, let's say if I want to check what is the company name and delivery status and bill status for that particular customer ID, so I can use index and match function to do that job. Okay, so I'm going to enter that customer ID here and I'm going to check delivery status, and here I can write that index and match function along a side in single formula so that it can retrieve any value from it. Okay, so first equal sign, index, and the entire array will be the data, and now I need the row number, right? For row number I need to set this value in this first column, right? So I'm going to write match function, match, open bracket, and lookup value will be this one, and the lookup array must be the first column only. Now the match type will be exact match, close. Now we have defined that row number equation and we have to define a column number equation, put comma, and now we have to define the column number equation. For that I am going to write that match function again, and in the match function the lookup value will be this one and the lookup array will be this one, and the match type will be exact match, close the bracket, and again we need to close the bracket one more time to close the index function, right? Enter. You see, for this particular customer ID the delivery status would be in production. You can check from data, in production, right? So if I want to check the bill status, I can check it, which is paid, and also I can check the company name, Dell. So this is how we can use index and match functions along the side in a single formula to retrieve a particular cell value. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon so that you will get notified when we post a new video. Thanks.